Hey guys, well, we made it. We're in Huntington Beach, California. We're out at Donut Derelicts. This is a thing that happens every Saturday out here for as far as my buddy can remember. And so we got a prime spot. We had to be out here at 5 a.m. to get this spot. So it's a donut shop, and we're gonna go walk this. It pulls a lot of cars from all different walks of life. And so this is really fun. We've been talking to some really cool people out here. They know the car. You know, we had it out here once or twice before. It wasn't running at the time. So it's really fun to have it here now, fully running and pretty much as together as it is now finally. So really cool crowd out here. So let's check out what they have. Nice Chevelles, a couple of them, a couple of different styles. One's more nostalgic, the other one's more modern.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, once again, it is that
64 notchback. So meticulous, man. This thing was apart into literally every just nut and bolt was touched on this car. These cars actually come apart. The pan is separate, which is the floor, and then the body comes apart. And he had it completely apart. All the metal work in it, so tastefully done. So these are flat fours. This is a Volkswagen. So this is a 2054. It's got dual downdrafts on it, carburetors. Again, look at the detail on this. I mean, you can for sure eat off of it. Check out the, like this kind of stuff, just so tasteful, you know, just slightly tinted, clear lenses, Cerakoted bumpers. And then we got a crazy rat rod right here. Check it out, it's a truck.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you'd like to support our channel, please check out our merch at maniacsgarage.com. We have backpacks, hats, shirts, and other lifestyle apparel for your purchase. Don't forget to leave us a thumbs up, and as always, subscribe.
VW bus. It's cool. Got a little conversion. Van conversion. These things are so cool, so rare. Got the safari window in the front. Air conditioning right there, buddy. Right here we got a whole club of VW Manx. So these are super cool. They're dune buggies. Kind of originated, I think, out here in Southern California. Kind of a quintessential, is that a right word? I don't know, beach car. So they're usually Volkswagen engines, but check this one out right here. Looks like it's out of an airplane. So this is called a radial engine. It's, you know, it's a round, right? So you got the 3 cylinders. And it's air cooled, so I'm pretty certain that this is out of an airplane. So pretty unique. Chevy C10, bagged, sitting on the ground, literally. Super cool. The bed's so high in here, the floor, because the frame is right under it right there. So in order to be able to drop it this low, you have to do that. Exhaust cutting through the bed. Got a nice interior there, seat. And it looks like an LS motor in it. Very cool, original patina. This thing's literally one of my favorites. I've posted this several times on the Instagram page. He built it at his house. It's like a trophy truck, man. It's just so cool. All the original patina on it. He's gonna be at the quarantine cruise tomorrow, so we're gonna try to do an actual interview with him. I told you guys, you're gonna see pretty much everything out here. So this thing's an electric conversion on like a Volksrad. It's a Volkswagen, but it's like a hot rod VW, kind of a rat roddy. I love this look, but I've never seen it with an electric conversion. Very cool. It's got the plaid, kind of a nice touch for Volkswagen. Looks like the battery packs are right in the back right there. Man, I don't know anything about electric, but I don't know, it's kind of intriguing. It'd be cool to build something that's an electric conversion just for fun. Lamborghini Huracan Evo, my favorite color. Pearl orange. Oh man, I love that interior. That is so cool, and it's a Spider. So mean. I love this short front, kind of, I think it's called a cab forward design, where the hood's real short, then you got the cockpit, and then you have the tail section really long. Of course, the motor's in the back, so that's by design. Let's go check out this Impala right here, the full-on lowrider setup. 3-wheel action right there. This thing's so cool, man. So they can actually drive with it like this. It's called a 3-wheel motion when they drive like this. They'll drag bumper when they do that. So this is your perfect lowrider setup right here, man. It's got the Dayton's wire wheels. Small little guys are probably 13s. Everything's chrome. And these, I think this is a 64. Yeah, it is. These are like the perfect lowrider car. 64 Impala is what this is. 2-door, hardtop, fender skirts. It's got the proper paint. It's cool.